Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 GMC Acadia AT4. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, memory seats. The front seats are heated and cooled. This vehicle has an automatic transmission, comes with heads-up display, lane keep assist, front collision alert, also has a heated steering wheel and a sunroof. This Acadia AT4 has a 3.6 liter paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. And moving on to the rear passenger compartment with captain's chairs and a pass-through to the third row seating, heated seats in the outboard positions here. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 GMC Acadia AT4 all-wheel drive, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.